How to delete your Accenture account, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So to permanently remove your account, let's get started. First, go to Accenture Careers website and log in using your credential. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Depending on the platform layout, look for the option like privacy settings, account settings, or data management. Accenture may not have a direct delete account button, so if you can't find it, don't worry, there is another way. If there's no delete option, you need to contact them. Next, enter your support request. Go to the Help or Contact Us section of the website. You will either need to send an email, reach out to the HR or support team requesting account deletion, or call support if available. Call their helpline for quicker assistance with your request. Clearly state that you want to delete your account. Include important details like your registered email address, your account, your user ID, or a request for confirmation once the deletion is complete. Once you submit your request, be sure to follow up if you don't receive confirmation within a few days. And that's it. While Accenture doesn't have a direct deletion option, contact their support team.